MusicLab have just released a brand new guitar VST instrument, the Real Tele. Now this is a highly detailed, meticulously multi-sampled guitar instrument. Say that after a few beers. And it's faithfully reproducing the classic sound of the Fender Telecaster. One of my favourite guitars, mainly because of this band. Now, before we get going, this is the Real Tele on screen. However, you might see my ugly mug on here, and it says is Magical Real Tele. Now, fear not. When you go and try and buy this, you won't have to put up with that on your screen. Because I'm an official endorser of MusicLab, the team very kindly made me my own very special custom-looking instrument. So thanks, guys. You got me there full nerd. You actually get two guitars in here. You get Real Tele Classic, which is that beautiful, bright, kind of vintage, open sound. And you get Real Tele Modern. So a new paint job and a tighter, more controlled sound, especially in the low-mid area. Ideal for modern pop, rock, and heavy stuff and all that. We've got our pickup selector here with 3 positions. Position 1, the bridge pickup, which is really bright and snappy. We can switch to neck. It gives us a more warmer and rounder sound. And if we switch to position 2, which is neck and bridge, you get the sound that makes those pickups interact with each other. And incidentally, pickup position 2 is completely resampled, so you get a very accurate emulation of how those two pickups interact with each other. So it's not just like an EQE joining up job, technical. Incidentally, when it comes to samples, this thing is a monster. 12 sample layers per fret. You also now get a tone control on the guitar itself. On full, we've got this kind of sound. Let's turn it down all the other way. And anywhere in between. Now, the special thing about the tone control is that affects the tone before it goes into any of the amplification systems. So just like a real guitar, with the tone control and a very simple basic amp and speaker setup, you can get really, really nice tones. Now the VELO tab has had a complete overhaul. Have a little look while I start playing. You can really define now your velocity curves and how the dynamics work inside the instrument. So when I start playing this distorted guitar, you can see those lights lighting up. You can alter which samples kick in. So if you want more of the full-on stuff, or tone it down slightly with the dynamics. So now you can alter where those samples kick in and out depending on your playing style. And now you can also alter how many round robin random samples you get, like when you're repeating a note. So if you go down to 1, you get around about 10 samples randomly round robin it. So it's not so mechanical and sounds very much more natural. If you whop it up to 5, you get around about 30 samples round robin it randomly. We can now also turn on and off the extreme velocity layers, the high ones and the low ones. And you can do this separately for solo, strum, mute, and palm mute. How is this handy? Well, for soloing, for instance, you might not want to hit those really low dynamic velocity is because it might kill your tone a little bit. So switch that off. It comes up on the screen there. Solo soft off, and it won't now let you play anything lower than that green sample layer there. See that? If I switch that on, you're now accessing that lower sample set. You might not want that dynamic range when you're soloing. So switch that bottom end off and you can solo away to your heart's content. Yeah. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to strumming, you might not want to really dig in like that when it comes to strumming and get that hard digging in sound. So you can turn off the high end of the velocity ranges and it keeps things a little bit more controlled. So even if you're banging away, you're not going to get too harsh when you're strumming. So that's going to be really, really useful. That VELO TAB overhaul, nice one, boys, girls. So while we're strumming, this now comes with the enhanced strumming engine inherited from the Real JMS. So much more natural strumming, kind of guitar-y feel to it all. Just lovely. And we still get all the usual MusicLab heavy hitting kind of features. We've got solo mode. Multi-mode, mainly to do with all of your strumming techniques. And we've got song mode, obviously, where you can build up a full song with a huge library of preset strums. And obviously choose any chord that you want and build up your song. And you still get the guitar amp that's built into the plugin, which is just totally mega. And the preset list has grown somewhat. You've got all these different categories here, all with hundreds of presets in them. You also now get tailor-made presets from the Guitar King himself, Guitar Jeff. And hang on a minute, who's that there? Marty Wade. Maybe you get some presets from me too. And all of the top guitarist presets are all available. So that's a quick overview of Real Tele by MusicLab. Personally, I think this is their best one yet. Hashtag statement. I don't know. I'll leave the links down below where you can try it or buy it. See you in the next one.